Okay, here's a screenshot, but I'm recording it just to explain it. What I did was I first made a triangle, then I connected the vertex with the opposite midpoint, and I said, you know, I think this cuts it in half. And I was like, well, how would you find the height of this and construct it? So what I did was I selected this base and I selected this vertex, and then I used the construct perpendicular line, and it worked. It shot a perpendicular line. So this is perpendicular and this is the base. This height, or excuse me, this is the height. So each of these bases is the same. This is perpendicular height, so it's the same. So half the base times the height. Each of these two triangles would be equal in area. Now, would it stay that way outside? Yes, because if I drag this over, it's still the height. It's still perpendicular to this line, which is the base. And these two bases are the same length because this is a midpoint. So this height times this base times 1/2, and this height times this base times 1/2, and both of these are going to be equal area. Could stretch it all the way up here, over here, over here. These two triangles equal area. So any triangle is going to have the same area, one split from midpoint to opposite vertex.